everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be learning the next basic stitch, which is half double crochet. We call it as half double crochet, and in short we write it as HDC, half double crochet. Now we have learned the slip knot, single crochet, double crochet, and the next stitch is half double crochet. So let's start doing it. So for that we need a yarn ball and crochet hook. So just let's start making a slip knot. Make a slip knot, make 10 chain plus 2, 10 chains plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2. So in all I have made 12 chain stitches. So first 2 stitches will be considered as first half double crochet or HDC. So we will be making from third chain from hook. So we'll skip 1 and 2 chains, and then third hook onwards, third chain onwards, we are going to start our HDCs or half double crochet. So yarn over, yarn over, insert the hook in the third chain from hook, 1, 2, 3, third chain, yarn, then you will have 3 loops, 1, 2, 3. Now again yarn over, and this time we are going to pull out this yarn through all these 3 loops. Through all the loops we are going to pull this yarn out, 1, 2, and just a second, yarn over, pull it out of all these 3 loops. So this is first half double crochet. It will not be very clear. Let's move to the next one, and it will get more clearer for you. So yarn over, insert the hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull it out of the loop of the chain, yarn over, pull it out of all these 3 loops on the chain. Again yarn over, insert the hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull it out of this loop of the chain, make it a little loose, yarn over, then pull it out through all these 3 loops. Yarn over, insert the hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull it out of this loop of the chain, yarn over, pull out the yarn through these 3 loops on the hook. So this is exactly how the half double crochet looks like. This is half double crochet, and this is smaller when compared to the double crochet that we had learned the other day. So this will be smaller, and smaller to this is the single crochet. This also it's a bit bulkier also. It's a little thicker when compared to double crochet and the single crochet. So you can, if you want your project to have that filling look, so we can use this stitch apart from single crochet also. Single crochet is tighter, whereas this has the loops because we take the yarn over and then do it, and hence this is the reason why this looks a little it gives a little cushiony effect. So again yarn over, insert the hook in this loop of the chain, yarn over, pull it out of this loop, then I'm stretching it. See, when you pull it out, it will just be very close to the stitch, so you need to have that space to move your yarn. So that's the reason you just need to stretch this a little like this. Just move the needle upwards so it will stretch, and then yarn over, pull it out of the 3 loops of the on the hook. So this is how we make the half double crochet. Again, yarn over, let's carefully do it. Insert the hook in the loop of the next chain, yarn over, pull out the yarn through this loop of the chain. Now stretch it a little by letting the hook go upwards, then yarn over, then pull the yarn out of these 3 loops. Okay, again yarn over, insert the hook in the loop of the chain, yarn over, pull it out of the loop of the chain, stretch it a little, yarn over, and remove it from these 3 loops. So this is how the half double crochet looks like. We will complete this row and then we will see the next row how to do it. So we have 2 more stitches. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop of the chain stitch, yarn over, pull it out of the loop of the chain stitch, stretch this a little, and then yarn over and pull it out of the 3 loops of the crochet hook. Then yarn over, last stitch we have, insert the hook in the loop of the chain stitch, yarn over, pull it out of the loop of the chain stitch, stretch, yarn over, pull it out of the 3 loops on the crochet hook. So this is after completion of the first row. This is how the half double crochet looks. So this is the front part and this is the back part. Back part will have little bumps or the prominent loops. Front part is neater when compared to the back part. So then we will move to the next row. For this again we need to make, after the end of every row you will make 2 chains, 1, 2. Then turn your work clockwise or anti-clockwise according to your convenience. Then yarn over and complete the work. Do it in a similar way as we did for the first row. So yarn over, insert the hook in the first chain. Remember, first row we have not taken first 2 chains, but from the second row onwards we will have to use the first stitch also. Remove it from the loops of the chain, stretch it a little, yarn over, then pull it out of these 3 loops, yarn over, insert the hook in the chain stitch, next stitch, stretch it, yarn over, pull it out of these 3 loops, yarn over, insert the hook in the next loops or next stitch, yarn over, pull it out of the loops of the chain stitch, yarn over, and then pull it out of these 3. So this we will complete. We'll complete it and then see how it looks like. So we have 2 more chain stitches or 2 more stitches to work half double crochet on. Yarn over, insert the hook in the last but 1 stitch, yarn over, pull it out of the loops, yarn over, pull it out of these 3 loops. the last stitch, yarn over, insert the hook through the loops of the last stitch, yarn over, pull it out of the loops of the last stitch, then stretch it, then yarn over, and then remove, pull it out of the 3 loops. So this is at the end of the second row. It looks like this. This stitch also is very neat. It's only that initially you may not be getting very neat stitches, but as more and more practice is made, you will be able to see the change in the neatness of the stitches. It will come out very neatly, but initially maybe it will be difficult because we still have to have the idea of how much tension we should be holding and leaving the yarn. So again, after the end of row 2, make 2 chain stitches, turn your work, yarn over, insert the hook in the first 2 loops of the first stitch of the previous row, and then yarn over, pull it out of these 2 loops, stretch, yarn over, pull it out of these 3 loops on the crochet hook. So this is how we make the half double crochet. And now one more thing I just want to tell you, that when we are making the half double crochet, suppose they should be almost of the same level, but if we are making our or keeping our hook loose or the yarn loose, then at times it so happens that we may not be having the proper tension and it might look bigger than the rest of them. See, now you can see it clearly because I have taken the yarn and I had held the hook very loose and the yarn also. So you can see the space here which is not at all with level with others. This stitch last half double crochet is not in level with these 3, with the rest of the half double crochet. So in that case you can just simply remove it and insert your hook in the chain, and then you can again redo it. So insert, yarn over, and pull it out. So that's how we complete. After the end of every row, you make 2 chains, then turn clockwise or anti-clockwise and start your work from the first stitch itself. So I hope that you understood it well and you are practicing it. Thank you so much for watching my channel and visiting my channel. Please do like, share, watch and subscribe. Please share more and more so that those who want to learn crochet, they can learn. So for now, that's it, and I'll see you in the next class. Okay, next tutorial. So bye bye everyone, take care, bye.